Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in your Google Play Store are stuck on a pending in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. And to do this, here we have a Google Play Store, and now we can try to install any game or app, and as you can see, it's stuck on a pending. Now to fix this, we'll need to go back to our home screen and open the settings. Scroll all the way down and enter General Management. Here select date and time and enable automatic date and time settings. We can go back to our Google Play Store and install the same game. Now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.